Hello friends. Are you searching a stress management self-help book? Now, we are going to introduce a personal transformation self-help book on Amazon.com for all your girlfriends. Life on the Sunny Side, that is written by author of Sunny Simon. Sunny's insightful and practical strategies pave the way to a happier, more balanced life. The book is filled with examples of how real people encounter life issues. Simon gives targeted advice and serves up step-by-step ways to move your mountain. Whether you need inspiration, motivation, a new job, a new life compass, or a swift kick in the butt, this book can help you. Simon has a gift of offering life lessons in easy reading, real-life stories that will speak to your heart, spirit and your mind. She offers practical advice to help you ignite your hopes and dreams, overcome procrastination, and develop strategies to move you toward your goals. Simon also offers sage wisdom to help you stay on track and live a healthy, balanced life filled with grace and life on the sunny side. So, Life on the Sunny Side is a refreshing, thought-provoking book which I thoroughly enjoyed and highly recommend in this video description link. You make the difference.
To get new update, please like, comments, subscribe and click bell button.